Good morning, SoCal Mingo Tango here with Love and For Low, and this morning I'm out here with Tread Lightly and Trails Off-Road doing a trail cleanup project for Overland Expo West. And today we are off of the Edge of the World Trail, which is just south of Flagstaff and just north of Sedona. And we're going to be doing a trail cleanup and also putting up a kiosk at the beginning of the trail. So come along with me and see what we're doing. All right, so we're 20 minutes in and we've stopped at 2 spots. And so far we have found 2 flossers, disposable razor, miscellaneous cans, water bottles, a diaper, an extension cord, a pair of melted sunglasses, and a bag of toilet paper. Like, if you're gonna put it all into a bag, what's the point of leaving it behind? I don't know, I'm confused. Anyway, let's head to the next spot. Weirdest thing you have found so far?
I found a bucket, but thankfully it was empty.
Okay, good.
Some car parts?
Yeah.
A lot of car parts.
Yeah, I found a bumper.
I found a lot of plastic car parts and a lot of paper material, and I'll just leave it at that.
Ugh, I know. So I've been out doing trail cleanup with the Tread Lightly and Trails Off-Road team for about 2 hours now. It's time to head back. Let's show you guys the progress that they've made on the kiosk. Yeah, so I found, my trash bag is pretty much full. Like I said, I found a car bumper, flossers, disposable razor, a couple pairs of sunglasses, stickers, soda cans, beer cans, water bottle caps, cigarette butts, rope, electrical wire. Yeah, so maybe a couple diapers. Blech. It's kind of crazy. I am having a little bit of sadness that my boo's not here with the JT, because I definitely would have liked to have more trash bags and more space to put some stuff in the back of the truck, but that's okay. So anyway, let's go back and check their progress on the kiosk. I think you might win coolest find. I think, yeah, it's a tooth.
Yeah, I just think it would be too big for a cow.
But because it's been produced by Tread Lightly, honestly, we don't see a lot of damage on our signs.
Tread Lightly is a reflection of our community, and our community cares about trails, keeping them open, keeping them access, and just want to thank everyone for coming out and supporting us.
Hey guys, I'm Ariana with Trails Off-Road. We're out here today in the Coconino Forest doing a project right during Overland Expo West, and we're so excited to be here and be partnering with Tread Lightly. We're also doing a promo at the show this weekend as well, where we're doing a 10 for 10. You become a Tread Lightly member for $10. You get your first year of Trails Off-Road for $10 as well, which is huge, and we just really like to do this show of support. So excited to be here. Have this stellar sign that got put in. It's looking really good. So thanks for joining us.